in our substations, when I was assigned to the engineering group, our substations needed to find a reliability solution to some of the problems we had in the past. We had San Diego had a massive blackout back in 2011. Maybe you heard of it, or maybe you were affected by it. Sorry about that. It was Arizona's fault. September 8th. Everybody knows that day.
Yes, I know.
And during that blackout, we had problems getting the grid started again, a lot because the backup systems that we had in the substations were diesel generators. They maybe didn't have fuel on site. Maybe they weren't didn't have the technicians on site to get them started, and we had trucks driving around diesel fuel to try to get the right generators back up and started. And ever since that time, we've been looking for a way to make our substations more robust, especially our critical substations. And so we were looking at a wide variety of solutions, not just fuel cells. But when we took into account the cost of putting in a new solution, whether it's another diesel generator or a different solution or a fuel cell, but the total cost of the construction and the site and all the safety, it made fuel cells comparable to some of the other solutions that were out there. And the advantages of some fuel cells compared to diesel generators were just that in California again, they were more environmentally friendly. Whenever we have any spill with diesel, we have to report that, and that can be a problem. As well as our substations are near communities, and if we're running generators for too long, the noise can also be a problem, and we try not to have any complaints as best we can. So when we started to look at all the solutions out there, GenCell came onto our list that we were evaluating. And was it 2 years ago?
Yes.
The team came. So I wasn't as important then, so I didn't get to go. But a team of our top engineers was able to fly over to Israel, visit GenCell, see what they were doing with the Israeli Electric Corporation. And then also they had a long list of customers from Mexico. And so we were able to qualify them as a vendor and ultimately select them for the projects that we're doing here.